Tonight, with inflation near a 41-year high, families are cutting back.
Instead of 3 gallons of milk, we get 1.
One California resident is finding a creative solution.
I started a garden.
Food up more than 10%, gasoline 60%, and rent up more than 25% for the average one-bedroom apartment. Brianna Golden is a mom of 3 and says her costs are doubling.
I'm exhausted because I have to work myself to the bone just to get them their basic necessities.
Will we ever receive stimulus checks again? Guys, I have the most up-to-date information and more states that are actually jumping on board to give you guys stimulus checks. I have the dates and when they're going to be sent out. Guys, this video is loaded with stimulus check information that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned to find out. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another show where we talk about things that are happening in this country, like politics, things that are happening with the Senate, and stimulus checks. We want to keep you updated on the biggest things that are going on with the checks and which states are actually sending them out. Now, I know many states are claiming to, but which states are really making it happen? Well, guys, we've got all this updated information in this video, and also we do a ton of giveaways. We're doing a $250 giveaway for 2 lucky subscribers. The information is down below, and we're also doing a $100 Visa gift card giveaway for 1 lucky subscriber to win $100, guys. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. Now, I know we need money. Inflation is not a good thing, but this video that I came across was it really shows us the reality of things that are happening for the average American. So let's take a look to see how things really are. Let's watch.
Here at home, inflation sticker shock is hitting millions of Americans hard. Families forced to cut back on just about everything, including summer vacations. Here's ABC's economics correspondent, Deirdre Bolton.
Tonight, with inflation near a 41-year high, families are cutting back.
Instead of 3 gallons of milk, we get 1.
One California resident is finding a creative solution.
I started a garden.
Food up more than 10%, gasoline 60%, and rent up more than 25% for the average one-bedroom apartment. Brianna Golden is a mom of 3 and says her costs are doubling.
I'm exhausted because I have to work myself to the bone just to get them their basic necessities.
The average American family is paying $493 more per month for the same goods and services compared to this time last year. For Miranda Benninger and her family, it's changing their vacation plans.
My husband and I are both teachers, so we try to keep things pretty frugal. We're going to be camping.
Americans are making more money, but pay raises are not keeping up with inflation. And for some Americans, that means turning to credit.
You see savings going down and credit card debt going up at a time that interest rates are also going up.
The Fed meets again in 10 days, and the next rate hike may be bigger than the last one, making all borrowing, including credit card debt, more expensive to pay off.
You know, this is exactly what we're going through on a daily basis. The mother simply said it just costs so much more. She's working to the bone to provide for her kids that literally it's the daily essentials. It's not these high-end things. It's literally they're trying to survive. And if you feel the same way, then let us know down in the comments below. But this is reality, and this is the world that we're living in. And that's why so many people are wanting stimulus checks. They're waiting for Joe Biden to do something about it. In fact, to me, I wish that everybody would get a little help just because we need it in this crazy time. Now, here's the information that I found concerning stimulus checks that really is amazing because there are more states doing more things. So let's dive on the screen. Will we ever receive stimulus checks again? Guys, that is something that everybody is asking. The inflation drama that continues to make daily life more expensive comes with an impossible catch. Average people, particularly low-income families, need financial assistance to cope with rising prices, but a fresh round of stimulus payments would only make things worse by injecting more money into the economy. Let us know if you agree. Now, here are the states that are offering money to their residents and when they're doing it. Colorado from $400 to $800, they're trying to get it late this summer. Delaware, up to $300 payments that they're trying to get out this year. Georgia, they're trying to get out $200 to $500 payments this year. Hawaii has been approved for $300, and they're trying to process these payments in late August. Idaho, they're trying to give out $75, and they're trying to do it throughout the 2022. Indiana, they're trying to send out $125 for singles, $250 for couples by September 1st. Maine is doing $850 throughout the year. Minnesota is getting them out through July 22nd. New Jersey is $500 that they're trying to do by this year. New Mexico trying to give out $1,500 in 3 payments starting in June, going through July and until August. These states have plans in the works. You've got California, Kansas, Kentucky, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. Now, I wish that every state would offer stimulus checks. I know that many families could surely use the money right now. I know that the gases went down a little, and believe it or not, guys, our gas got down to $3.87, which was mind-blowing. I mean, it was amazing, and this is in Tennessee, and this is north of Nashville. So let us know in your area how much your gas is in your area. We'd love to know, like to know what's going on around this country. But guys, I hope that this information was encouraging to let you know that there are several states that are trying to send out stimulus checks. And if you could use a stimulus check right now, then smash that like button. Look, I don't know which person is going to run for the 2024 campaign. I just know a lot of people want Trump and a lot of people want somebody else. Guys, let us know down in the comments below who you think should run. And guess what? We will keep you updated on all the stimulus check information. Don't forget about all the giveaways we're doing on this channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you continue to have a great day. Until next time, I'm John Mira. Peace.